Curious how just a device becomes an AI bodyguard. Starts with the lens, precision crafted and tuned to deliver crystal clear vision. Think of it as building a watchful eye. It is the first AI hub. Use it as a home hub or a doorbell, your choice. Millions of pixels, each one precise and detailed, are processed in real time. A camera sensor is paired with a powerful GPU processor. Think of building a tiny command center. Billions of calculations, each one swift and accurate, are made in milliseconds. Every part of the device is engineered with precision and care to deliver unmatched performance. And when it all comes together, it's more than just a device. It becomes your AI bodyguard, your AI connected living, and your AI companion. The name of the device is OVAL. Born from precision, defined by intelligence. That's what makes all the difference.